Hey,
Hi, it's Adeline.
it's Mario.
We are here again at the Wetlands Park.
Yep, we're back here. We're gonna continue on because last time we decided to turn around, but we're gonna continue to go forward on that trail.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, enjoy the POV. There's the park. We're gonna start right here. Hi. This is a beautiful park. Anyone that is in Vegas or live in Vegas should check Wetland Park. Wetlands Park, that's what it's called, with a S. Wetlands Park.
Wetlands Park.
Hey, there's Adeline. You remember how to get there? Huh? Uh-huh.
That's like if I don't want to.
If you're here, you gotta follow the sign here. If you're taking your bike, just follow or shows a symbol of a bike and a hiker with a dog. Okay, we're back at that bridge. Good. You can walk it if you want.
I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna run now.
Huh? Make a right. Yeah, that one just takes you back to that other trail called the Flamingo. Yeah, right. Yeah, that one takes you straight back to that Flamingo. I believe that's San Boyd Stadium. I'm not really sure. The one out there. Excuse me. There's the strip. Hey, you made it. You made it. I wasn't sure if you're gonna walk it. Oh. Hi. Ready? Oh, it's over there on the other side. It's not here. It's over there. It's a different one. This one is a different route. This is where we turn it around. Over there. So far, we've been 3.1 miles. We've been doing 3.1 miles so far. And I know this trail goes a long way. But she's doing good, because last time she had to walk that. I'm surprised she was able to do it all. Yeah, no. Last time you walked. Nice. Okay. I think this. Oh, continue forward, because that's where we turned around. Okay. Okay, this is where we turned around last time. I believe 2 weeks ago we came here and we end up turning around, but this time we're gonna continue on. I think we turn around here somewhere. And so we're gonna go on. I kind of like this up, down, up, down, up, down, and another up. See how she's doing. Let's see how she does. Keep pedaling. Yeah, you did it. Getting better. I think we turn around over there somewhere. Yeah. Right. We're gonna go forward. We've been doing 4 miles now. See how she's doing. Doing good. You're good? No rest? You don't need a rest? Okay. What time? I'm just following this trail. Just following the trail. Yeah. It shows this way. Good. So we've been doing 4.6 miles so far. Look at that. I like this one. So there should be a bridge here somewhere. Oh yeah, I think I see the other bridge. Let's check on her, see if she makes it. It's a beautiful place. I didn't get to come here last time because we turned around back there. This trail is very impressive. It's nice and it's beautiful, and you can see the strip out there. That's the whole strip. Houses. There she comes. It's 3:15. Wetlands Park. Still nice and beautiful. And we're gonna continue to check where that takes us. Okay, ready? There she goes. Keep going. Okay, I guess she's waiting for me. So let's go. Okay. It's after supper. Are Where's your battery? Oh, I still got full charge. Go ahead, follow you. Go ahead. Go ahead. You don't want to stop. You got to keep going. Go ahead, keep it roll. Watch. Okay, just go like this. Like this. Go ahead. Just roll it. Once you hit the middle, you slow down. There she goes. It's a very steep one. What is this here? Oh, off-road trails. Okay. Who's going? You hear the water? There should be another bridge. Let me see. All trails.
This is long, huh?
Okay, we're right here in the blue. Yeah.
So Lake Las Vegas? Oh
Lake Las
my
Vegas.
God.
Yeah, and then the place that we went, that Wheel of Fortune, it's here somewhere. Yeah. Yeah. Very close to it.
I think we need to go back now. What time is it? How many months now?
Huh? Keep going. Yeah, keep going. So we see the whole thing. And then if it goes too far, then we'll just turn around. I have the GPS on anyway.
Okay.
Right now we're doing good. So we've been going 8 miles. Oh, 5.8 miles. Okay. Look at this. Where's my gloves? Oh. We got lights and all that stuff. Why? Coyotes? Plus coyotes. We should be almost, we'll turn around after that bridge. I think there's supposed to be a bridge. Okay, let's find out. Okay, let's follow. Just follow. Uh-huh. Uphill. steep one. Huh? Where? Yeah. Ready? Yeah, let's go back. That's a steep hill. I couldn't make it up. I didn't get enough speed. Okay. Yeah. Next time. Oh, two? Oh, okay. Ooh, steep. You got 2 bar left, huh? Okay. You'll make it back. You should be able to make it back. What was the range we hit? What was the range we put on that? Uh-uh. Okay, we've been traveling 6.8 miles and we're very close to Lake Las Vegas. Right there, these are all the expensive houses on top of the mountain. Very nice place. So now we're gonna go back because it's getting dark. So we weren't able to do the whole trail. Still, we kind of arrived here late, so next time we'll continue on. It looks like this thing keeps going. Okay. Plus we came late already.
Up to like 12 miles or 11 miles. Yeah, so we're halfway to that.
Let me see where we are here. Wetlands still. This is still wetland trail. Keep going.
To where is this?
Going. Let's see. Then it goes over that bridge. There's that bridge.
What bridge is that?
Wetland.
Yeah, what kind of bridge?
Same as that one. With the water.
But it's like a big one, that one.
Yeah, that one's a long one. And then it goes wetland trails. Yeah. Yeah, and so we're almost to the end. But
getting dark.
I think if your battery is low, it's better. You're gonna be walking. It's gonna take a long time to get back. Yeah, this is all wetland right here. Look, keeps going.
Yeah.
Still a long way.
Yeah.
Next time. That hill. Now I know I had to paddle really fast on that one. I wasn't going fast enough. I started too late. on the speed.
Yours.
Yeah, I had to use it. No. But then I started too late paddling fast. I was like in a slow speed when I approached it. Ready? Only got one bar left. Yeah. Yeah. No, one bar. No, I got full. I have full. Uh-huh. Three. You know what? I just remember. This is a good place to watch the fireworks. This is a good place to watch the fireworks. Huh. But then it might be closed too. What time does it close? Midnight? Yeah. Does? Okay. No, they won't. If they see your car in there, they'll start searching. Go fast. You want to put it on 3. I don't know. Maybe it's the gutter. Eh? Yeah. So steep hills, huh? Coming back, they're steeper.
There's a lot of them.
Uh-huh. Huh? Why? So far we went 9 miles. We've been 9 miles so far. Uh-huh. Yep. Ready? Good. Did good. I wasn't sure if you're gonna stop. Uh-huh. There's the uphill, babe. Remember this? Just keep pedaling. Just keep your speed. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yep. Plus you have small wheels too. Those wheels make you go a little bit slower. That's why the BMX even rolls faster, remember? Tires, the wheels are bigger. But you gotta work hard on the BMX. I'll be struggling in here. Yeah. 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 How's your battery? 2? You'll make it. Yeah, that's a bridge. It's burned. It's a burned bridge. Yeah. You got burned, look. Yeah. Hey. Is your light blinking? Okay, that means you're almost dead. Yeah. But if your display is blinking, that means you're almost dead. That means you might have to paddle. Yeah, that means you're almost dead. And then it's gonna be like a regular bike. That means it's gonna be. Yeah, lucky we turn around. Yeah. Because you had 4 bar.